You can screenshot with gestures on the Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. And for that, you simply need to enable a setting in the Settings app. So go to Settings, and under Settings, you want to scroll down to Accessibility and select the Screenshots option. So here, as you can see, we have the full screen capture option and the partial screenshot option. Both of these require you to use 3 fingers and to touch the screen or swipe down from the screen to take a screenshot. So ensure if these options are toggled off, ensure that they are on. And now, if you go back to a screen like this one, if you swipe down with 3 fingers like that, it should take a screenshot. Likewise, if you want to take a partial screenshot of a certain area of the screen, you can simply do this with 3 fingers, tap and hold the screen with 3 fingers and draw on the area you want to take a screenshot like that. And now the screenshot will be taken once you tap on the check mark. Now when you go to the Gallery app, in the Screenshots folder, you should see the screenshots that you've taken. This is the partial screenshot, and this is the normal screenshot. So simply what you need to do is swipe down with 3 fingers like that, and it should take a screenshot. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.